Hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle. Last puzzle, not in today's newspaper of Thursday, March the 17th, 2022. No, it's the edition of Wednesday, March the 2nd, 2022. Yes, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to finish the puzzles of the edition of Wednesday. Yes, and this will be number. I believe 4273. 4273. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. Could be an easy one. But it should be an easy one because it's a 1-star. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Always a 1. Following question, duo boxes. Do we see here any duo box? I see here duo box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box cannot be a 2. We already have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. More dual boxes. Here, another one. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. More dual boxes. No, triple boxes then. I see here triple box and there triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 1 box in this triple box should be the 1. And when you see the triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. So let me mark this 4 or a 5. Same for here. The inside box is always 4 or a 5. Well, the 1 is already filled in, so the 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Quadra boxes then. The following question. Quadra box. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra box. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions, whatever, you name it. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape upside down. Let me draw this figure or shape here. We have the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has always the same number as that box. Alright, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, T-shape. More T-shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box, always the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. So this box has always the same number as that box. Oh! Overlook this T shape. Overlook this T shape. Well, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. And that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1. Overlook this T shape. Interesting. So 2 T shapes and 2 of this kind of shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. This shape, when you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shape? No. And I think we have here the last shape. Let me draw this last shape here. Alright. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 4. There are more. I think maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them. And why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes and there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and the 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 1 goes in there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here in this area. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Alright. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then. Let me see. Well, 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and 4. But we already have a 3 here. So it can be 3. Should be a 4 here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. And 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Okay. Well, I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Alright. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 3. overlook this 2. Well, this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. In this T shape, 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3, and that box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 1 and 2, so 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Now we have a 1 here. This box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Okay. I need a 3 in one of those 3 boxes. Well, this box cannot be a 3. We have a 3 there. And that box, we have already a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. 4 and a 5, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and a 5. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a 2 there. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2, but also those 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we need a 2 in one of these 3 boxes. Well, here cannot be a 2. We have a 4 or a 5, and that box cannot be a 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here. So now we have 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5 as a pair. 4 and the 5, okay. Here also a pair, the 4 and the 5 in this area. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. Okay. So now we have 1 box left for the 2 because those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. Okay. Well. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. So 1 number left in this area for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. 3 and a 4. Need to wait. Well, this box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Interesting. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Interesting. 1, 2, 3. This should be also 4 or a 5. 1, 2. I'm thinking. Where is the opening? Am I stuck? 1, the 2 of this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2. Look, we have a 2 in the same area. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Should be a 4. It cannot be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this is definitely a 4. That means that those two boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And this box. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Finish in 15 minutes. Little bit slower than I expected, but I've solved this again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer Sudoku, and the quintuplet. Yes, the quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Friday. Almost weekend, yes. Until then, bye-bye for now.